Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how to increase your credit score. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. The first thing you must do to increase your credit score is to review your credit reports. Knowing what factors may be working in your favor will assist you in improving your credit score or against you. A credit history check comes in handy in this situation. The three major national credit bureaus where you may receive a copy of your credit reports are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. By visiting the official annual credit report.com website, you can do this for free once a year. Then examine each report to see what is contributing to or detracting from your overall score. A higher credit score is based on a history of one-time payments, low credit card balances, a diversity of credit card and loan amounts, older credit accounts, and few credit inquiries. Late or missed payments, high credit card balances, collections, and judgments are all credit score detractors. Examine your credit report for any errors that could affect your score and file a dispute if you find any so that they can be corrected or eliminated. The second thing to do to increase your credit score is get a handle on bill payments. FICO credit scores are based on five basic characteristics and are used by more than 90% of major lenders. History of previous payments is 35%. The use of credit is 30%. The age of credit accounts is 15%. The financing mix is 10%. New credit inquiries have been made is 10%. As you can see, your payment history has the most influence on your credit score. That's why it's advisable to keep paid off debts on your credit record, such as old student loans. It is to your benefit if you pay your bills on time and in full. Avoid late payment as much as possible is a simple way to improve your credit score. One idea is to create a filing system, either paper or digital, for keeping track of monthly bills. Setting up due date reminders to remind you when a bill is due. Automating bill payments using your bank account. Another option is to put all or most of your monthly bill payments on a credit card. This plan assumes that you will pay the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. By having a track record of one-time payments, you may discover that this strategy simplifies bill payment and increases your credit score. The third thing is aim for 30% credit utilization or less. Credit use is the percentage of your credit limit that you are utilizing at any one time. After payment history, it's the second most important factor in FICO credit score calculations. The simplest way to keep your credit utilization in check is to pay off your credit card balances in full each month. If this isn't always possible, a good rule of thumb is to keep your total outstanding balance at or below 30% of your total credit limit. Following that, you can focus on lowering it to 10% or less, which is considered optimum for improving your credit score. Use your credit card's high balance alert feature to stop incurring new charges if your credit utilization ratio is getting too high. Requesting a credit limit increase is another way to enhance your credit use ratio. Raising your credit limit can assist you in making better use of your credit as long as your balance does not increase at the same time. Most credit card companies allow you to request a credit limit increase online. All you have to do is update your annual household income. You could be approved for a higher limit in less than a minute. You can also seek a credit limit increase over the phone. The fourth thing to do to increase your credit score is limit your requests for new credit and hard. There are two types of queries into your credit history: hard and soft inquiries. Soft inquiries include things like you checking your own credit, enabling a potential employer to check your credit, checks from financial institution with whom you already do business, and credit card companies studying your file to determine if they want to give you pre-approved credit offers. Soft inquiries will have no effect on your credit score. Hard inquiries, on the other hand, might lower your credit score for a period of time ranging from a few months to 2 years. Done-hard inquiries might occur from applications for a new credit card, a mortgage, an auto loan, or any other sort of new credit. The odd, difficult question is unlikely to make a significant difference. A significant number of them in a short period of time, on the other hand, can have a negative impact on your credit score. Banks may review this as a request for funds owing to financial difficulties, putting you at a higher risk. If you are trying to improve your credit score, do not apply for new credit for a while. The fifth thing to do to increase your credit score is make the most of a thin credit file. If you have a thin credit file, you do not have enough credit history on your report to establish a credit score. If you have a limited credit history, there are techniques to help you develop credit and enhance your credit score. One of them is Experian Boost. This cutting-edge technology collects financial data that isn't typically included in your credit report, such as banking history and utility payments, and utilizes it to build your Experian FICO credit score. It's absolutely free to use and is designed for persons with no or limited credit who have a strong track record of meeting their other financial responsibilities on time. Ultra FICO is a product that is similar. Based on your financial history, this free software estimates your FICO score. Having a financial cushion, keeping a bank account open for a long period, paying your bills on time, from your bank account and avoiding overdrafts are all things that can help. There is a third option for renters. If you pay your rent on a monthly basis, you can get credit for a one-time payment from a variety of companies. Rental Karma and RentTrack, for example, will submit your rent payments to credit bureaus on your behalf, potentially increasing your credit score. It's important to note that reporting rent payments may affect only your Vantage score, credit scores, not your FICO score. Some rent reporting companies charge a fee for this service, so check the fine print to be sure you know precisely what you're getting and potentially buying. Perch, a new player in the business, is a smartphone app that report rents payments to credit bureaus for free. The sixth way you can increase your credit score is keep all accounts open and deal with delinquencies. The age of credit portion of your credit score looks at how long you have held credit accounts. The older your average credit age is, the more favorable lenders view you. Keep previous credit accounts open if you do not use them anymore. While the credit history for those accounts will remain on your credit report, canceling credit cards while you have balances on other cards will reduce your availability credit and increase your credit utilization ratio. As a result, it's probably that you will lose a few points. Take steps to resolve any outstanding debts, charge-offs, or collection accounts you may have. If you have an account with numerous late or missed payments, for example, first catch up on the past due amount, then plan a strategy for making future payments on time. Although this will not erase the late payments, it will assist you in improving your payment history in the future. Consider whether it's best to pay off charge-offs or collection accounts in full or make a settlement offer to the creditor. Paid collection accounts have a smaller negative impact on credit scoring models like FICO and Vantage Score. Paying off collections or charge off can help your credit score increase marginally. Keep in mind that negative account information can linger on your credit report for up to 7 years, while bankruptcies can stay for 10. The seventh thing to consider to help you to increase your credit score is consider consolidating your debts. If you have a lot of obligations, a debt consolidation loan from a bank or credit union could help you pay them all off at once. You will just have to worry about one payment and you will be able to pay off your debt faster if you can get a lower interest rate on the loan. Your credit utilization ratio and as a result, your credit score may improve as a result. A comparable method is to consolidate many credit card accounts by paying them off with a balance transfer credit card. Frequently, these cards provide a promotion period during which you can avoid paying interest on your balance. Balance transfer cost, on the other hand, might range from 3 to 5% of the amount being transferred. Another thing you can do to increase your credit score is to use credit monitoring to track your progress. Credit monitoring services make keeping track of your credit score over time a breeze. These services, many of which are free, monitor your credit report for any changes such as accounts that have been paid off or new accounts that you have opened. They normally provide you access to at least one of your credit scores from Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion, which are updated on a regular basis. Many of the best credit monitoring programs can also help you avoid identity theft and fraud. If you receive an alert that a new credit card account that you do not remember opening has been reported to your credit file, you can contact the credit card issuer to report suspected fraud. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.